Have you ever tried a new product and this product is so good? It literally solves a whole lot of problems that you've had in the kitchen, and you keep on buying this product. But then you realize that there's kind of like a flaw in its design, and you think about reaching out to the manufacturers. You realize they have a social media presence, and you procrastinate um, doing this for a very long time. And then you summon the courage to do so, and you realize that they've solved your problem already. And that is the case of um, the Nada multipurpose soap. I do have it here. It's kind of like midnight ramblings for me right now. So I do have a short video about this particular soap, just, you know, talking about it generally. It's the Nada cleaning um, soap. It's a multi-purpose soap. This launched, I think, sometime last year in late 2024. I'm not too certain about the dates, but I saw this in the supermarket and instantly gravitated towards it, in the sense that I really dislike using liquid soap because of how many times you have to lift the bottle and pour it out onto your cleaning sponge or foam or whatever. And I literally hate using solid bars of soap because you either have some soap left over on a plate or on a pot or whatnot. So this was just a brilliant solution for me. It's this semi-solid gel soap. This is a new one. I haven't opened this, but it's this semi-solid gel form soap that I can easily just dip or wrap in a sponge and it goes. But you see, the problem I had with this particular product is or was the packaging. Now, I have bought so many of this over the past year, or even in the previous year, that I just decided to start saving the jars. Now, these are just the few that I managed to salvage because I really wanted to prove a point with this video. And so I kept buying this and accumulating this. Now, I'm somebody that I don't like throwing um, things away. So I just kept keeping as many as I could. And I tossed out like a good number of these. And I was thinking of reaching out to the company that they should provide us with a refillable option. And I kept thinking about how do I phrase this? Who do I reach out to? Are they on social media? Because their social media presence was really low. Are they on social media? Are they on Instagram? Do they have a physical office? I kept thinking about this for months until I was in the supermarket a couple of weeks ago and I saw this. They had literally solved my problem. And also, I realized they had another social media page that would have informed me or told me that, you know what, your problem has been solved. So I saw these sachets, refillable sachets, in the supermarket, and two of these literally make up one of these. And price point wise, I think it's cheaper to buy these two than it is to buy the jar. I didn't even see the jar on the shelves anymore. All I saw were these sachets, and it comes in two sizes. This 180 grams, and I think a smaller one. So this is just kind of like an appreciation post to Nursu Nigeria Limited, manufacturers of Nada. Thank you for thinking about sustainability and waste accumulation, because recycling in this country is just, becoming a thing, and it would be a waste to have this literally end up in our landfills, making a mess of the whole thing. So if you already have these, well, but I'm just here to let you know that Nada now comes in refillable sachets so that you don't have to keep buying these ones all the time. Ooh, I had that. So yeah, that's that, people.